Hi, Carol. I figured rather than trying to type this up in an email, I'd just send you a quick video. It's probably much easier to explain that way. So you can set certain cells in Excel so they're not able to be changed. And let me show you how to do that. Most your settings are here. You want this review tab available, and these things that say protect sheet is what you'll be using. But before you do that, Excel is actually a little bit backwards in the fact that you don't tell it which cells um, you want not changed. You want to tell it which cells you're allowed to change. So I want to not let them, I don't want them to change Darren Keel, Kelly Murphy, or Stephanie Douglas because those are already scheduled appointments, Jeff Friend. But I do want them to be able to fill in these blank spots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the blank spots. I'm going to hold the control key down and highlight the next blank spots. And again, the next blank spots. And if you had more, you could highlight, you're highlighting all the things that you want to allow changes in. You right click in the highlighted area and you go to Format Cells. And on this tab at the end that says Protection, you want to uncheck this box so that these are not locked. And then you hit OK. So I've unlocked these highlighted cells, and then I will click Protect Sheet, and I will hit OK. So now what this does is it allows me to change anything here. So I can put in another person, but it won't let me mess up. If I try to type over the word Monday, it won't let that change. If I type over the times, those can't change. And if I type over these other names, they also can't change. So that's how you lock it. Again, you're highlighting the cells you want to allow changes, right clicking, and you are going to go Format Cells, and you'll choose, it won't let me format them. I have to unprotect it to make changes. Again, right click, Format Cells, Protection. I want to make sure they're not locked. And then when I protect the sheet, anything that's not locked, you can change. So hopefully that gets you started. Feel free to give me a call or shoot me another email if you need any more clarification or have questions.